Okay, now it is time for the operators precedence. Okay, so well, actually in Python the precedence is the same as the math. So multiplication, so addition, subtraction, this is the least precedence. Then multiplication and division, this is the second. Then we have the brackets, or before the brackets we have the exponential, then we have the brackets. Okay, so let's have a real quick example. So print, so let's say 3 plus 4. Okay, now let's put spaces here so it will be more comprehensive. Multiplied by 2. Now this will give us 4 multiplied by 2, then 8 plus 3, which is 11. So let's see, let's clear the screen first. So yeah, it is 11. Okay, now if I typed brackets here, as you can see, like this, so here you can see that it is 3 plus 4, which means 7. 7 multiplied by 2, which is 14. So if I type here, yeah, it is 14. Okay, so real quick, the brackets is the highest priority or precedence. Then we have the exponential. Then we have the multiplication and division. Then finally we have the addition and subtraction. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.